Hello, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back to see me.
Thank you. You love me. You really love me.
Okay, so this video is going to be about a face mask that I was gifted by my cousin-in-law, who is an esthetician. I always get it mixed up. Not anesthesia. Well, I do have a cousin that's an anesthesiologist, and I do have a cousin-in-law that's an esthetician. So she's the one who's been like giving me pointers on like some stuff, products for my skin and like all that stuff, and it's been going really great. So she gave me this mask. I just washed my face. It is getting a bit dry. I don't want to be on camera with white mouth. Okay, that's better. Okay, so this is the mask I'm going to be putting on right here. It's a pomegranate mask. I have listed the ingredients right here.
Okay, so first things first, purified water, of course, is the #1 ingredient, which is absolutely amazing. You know, we need that for our skin, basically in everything we do. The second ingredient is chitosan. I've actually never heard of this before, this ingredient, but this ingredient is really great for speeding up cell regeneration. And it helps your skin to create new skin cells at a faster rate. So it basically sheds older skin cells faster. The only thing that's weird about this this ingredient, chitosan, is that it's a fiber created from the exoskeleton of crustaceans like shrimp and lobster and all that stuff. And I'm not really a fan of shellfish, so yeah, you know, to each his own. The third ingredient is aloe vera leaf gel. Of course, it's always really great for healing damaged skin cells, and so I think this type of mask will be really great for sunburns and things of that nature, you know, any type of burn, any type of damage to the skin. And then we have red seaweed plant collagen, which is really great for nourishing and hydrating skin. Of course, dry skin can lead to acne, so this is a really great ingredient to add to any skincare product for the most part. And also, red seaweed plant collagen has great antioxidant benefits. And basically, antioxidant, of course, we know is really great for protecting against free radicals. So it increases skin elasticity, which in turn helps to fight wrinkles and fine lines. But you know, black don't crack. So that was a black comment. And then resveratrol, which is extremely antioxidant rich, and it fights free radicals and, you know, free radical damage like UV rays, infrared radiation, and pollution, you know, all those really bad things that we basically get from our environment. So those are the top ingredients that I'm going to list. The rest of them, you know, are pretty much self-explanatory, the vitamin C and, you know, everything else. So yeah, I hope that you guys definitely do your own research and find out what works for you and what you prefer.
So yeah, I'm gonna open this up and keep it on for about 5 to 10 minutes. I wanna see how it feels on and afterwards when I take it off. So let's get started. All right, so let's cut it open. Do not judge me. I live with kids now and I cannot find the other regular scissors. Okay, so yeah, cut it long. Cut it from this part here.
Yeah, I did not know it was going to take all this strength to open this thing.
Okay, that is a...
Please do not judge my dry lips. I need moisture. Yeah, word to the wise, be extremely careful when you're opening this packaging. It's pretty tricky. It's hard to open, as you can see, and the mask is really sensitive.
Ooh, it feels really gooey and ooey and tooey mooey. All right, so I'm gonna put this on. It's a jelly mask. I've never tried one of these before. So yeah, let's get this on. Ooh, looks like you can tear it pretty easily, so be careful if you get one of these. Find something similar. I kind of feel like it's like double-sided or something, because like, yeah, that's interesting. Normally it's like one-sided and you just like peel off the first layer or the top layer, but yeah, this keeps, I think I may have pulled this a little too. Okay. Oh, that's how it's made. Cool. If it's the full lip, girls. Ha! Okay. How do I look? Now, we wait. It feels so weird. I'm excited to see how this comes out.
I'm getting more information. The horseshoe.
A few moments later.
Okay, I am back. And it's time to take the mask off. I'm gonna take it off and I'm not gonna rinse my face. I'm like sitting on like a foam roll, just like good with my back stuff. So if I fall, do not laugh. I'm gonna put my New Year of Genesis on, but before that, I'm gonna let you guys see how it looks up close.
As you can see, I'm really fighting acne, dark spots. That's what I struggle with the most. So yeah.
Looks really nice. Okay. Wanna just feel.
The mask definitely does not feel tacky or anything like that. It's not super oily. It doesn't leave a residue or anything like that. It really does seep into the skin, but it does not leave a lot of moisture behind. So I'm glad I put my Neogenesis moisturizer on afterwards. I don't think the mask is really great for moisture. It's more so for cell regeneration and just like, fighting those free radicals and helping with creating new skin cells. And yes, I am a big fan of taking your face to the gym, so to speak. It's really great for your skin.
It looks really good, guys. My face it feels really moisturized. I like it. It's really good. Yeah. I hope you guys like this video. If you guys end up trying a gel mask like that, put it in the comments below. Let me know. I would love to try it out myself. Yeah, thanks for tuning in. I will see you guys on the next one.